Hi there, welcome back. So, would you like a watch that looks like an Apple Watch and has an interface that is kind of similar as well and costs just 2,500? Well, continue watching because today we have the ZebFit 1220. So this one comes with a heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor, fitness tracking, all the usual stuff, and is priced at just 2,499 on Amazon.in. I have two units with me, black and white or white and black, either of these. I shall be doing a giveaway for both, so make sure you watch this video till the end to know how you can win these. Let's unbox it, let's review it and see how it works. I know, आधे लोग तो forward करके सीधा giveaway तक पहुंच गए होंगे. But I suggest you watch this full video. If this is your first time here, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Also follow me on my social media handles for more tech info. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So here is the Zebronics ZebFit 1220CH. Now we have two units with us. One is black, one is silver and white. We'll have a closer look at both of them. So first we'll have a look at the box. We have a nice big box. We have the picture of the watch on it. On the side here are some of its features: the blood pressure monitor, SpO2 sensor, IP67 waterproof rating, full touch color display, customizable watch faces, heart rate monitor. Here you have the compatible app, the ZebFit 20 series app, which you can get for the Android Play Store and the iPhone App Store. Here are some of the more manufacturing details and the MRP. The MRP here is 3,999, but I'm sure you can get this for a lot cheaper. So let's unbox this, and if you see this one here, this has silver and this one is black. So let's unbox both. Wow, that looks really nice. We'll open the black one as well. Okay, so we have a user manual and a proprietary charging dock. So let's have a quick physical overview. Here are both the watches and it has a square dial. The frame of the white one has a matte silver finish while the black watch is matte grey. It has a single button on the side to access the menu and it has a green accent on it. Looks really cool. The back has a glossy finish with all the sensors, heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor and the charging terminals. The charger is magnetic this time. Unlike the clip type from the Zeb 920, it aligns with the terminals as you bring it closer and starts charging. The quality of the strap is also really good, extremely soft silicone rubber. It has a buckle/loop design. The loop design is a smart idea where the end of the strap goes in and gives you a very clean look. It can also be replaced with any third-party bands, but I found it harder to remove them as compared to other watches. Moving to the display, so it has a 1.5-inch LCD display with a resolution of 240 by 240 pixels. The color reproduction is actually quite good, surprisingly vibrant for an LCD display. The viewing angles are decent, the images, text are crisp and easy to read. The display also gets bright enough and can be adjusted from the quick toggles. But remember, more the brightness, lesser the battery life. The raise the wrist to wake the display is quite responsive, not the fastest, but passable. So the watch comes with IP67 water resistancy ratings, so you don't have to worry about splashes and sweat during workout. It can measure your heart rate, your blood pressure and even your SpO2 sensors. Now all these work fine as long as you use them just for reference and not for medical monitoring. You can check it but not depend on it completely. It also has a breathe app where it will tell you to do a short inhale-exhale exercise to calm you down. There are 7 workout modes available: walking, running, cycling, skipping, badminton, basketball and football. Not too many, but I can say it should suffice for most. Tested briefly and the pedometer results were fairly accurate. Alright, let's have a quick look at the interface. So swipe from the top to access quick toggles. You have theater mode, brightness, vibration, torch and settings. Swipe from the right and you have access to the pedometer. Further in, sleep tracking, beats per minute, exercise, weather and music player. Swipe right and you have access to all the apps in Apple-like format. Yes, you can see Apple bubble-like format and all these are accessible. You can click on the heart rate, it will take you to the beats per minute. You can click on the O2 and it will take you to the O2. Coming down, finally you click up, you get all the apps. You have step tracker, sleep, measure heart rate, sports, measure BP, SpO2, message and notifications, weather, shutter. Now shutter app is to take pictures from your phone, music player, breathe app, flashlight and others. In others you have power off, about and app QR code. Now if you press the home screen, you get access to 4 pre-installed watch faces. And if you notice carefully, all these 4 are actually Zebronics logos. So really nice. You can install more from the app, which we'll see in a moment. So the OS is quite smooth. I didn't experience any lag, and above that, it's easy to use. The device works with the ZebFit 20 series app, so make sure you get the correct one. There are a couple, so it might get confusing. Once paired, the watch collects all your data, steps, sleep tracking, heart rate. It's a simple interface without too much fanfare. If you come to the second option, you can see the battery percentage, watch faces. The list of watch faces is huge. Check this out. You can also custom set your own pick as a watch face from your gallery. You can go into notifications and turn on for your phone or apps of your choice. Set alarms. Use the watch as a camera shutter. In others, you can change the time format from 12 hours to 24 hours, change the language, drink water reminders, weather, and finally the upgrade option for OS update. It receives call alerts with vibration. You can see the caller's name and you have an option to reject the call and silent the ringer. But it would only reject the call. When I press the silent key, only the vibration on the watch would stop, but the phone kept ringing. I guess the silent feature is just to stop the watch vibration, not the ringer on the phone. It receives app notification with the app icon and the message. Tested it and it worked fine. It comes with a 200 mAh battery that takes about 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge. Now Zebronics claims that it will last for about 5 to 7 days with medium use. But if you're going to keep the brightness low with all the notifications turned off, you could get a little more. The ZebFit 1220 is a really good watch for the price. It's got a good display, it's got a good design, it's got basic tracking, stylish straps, over 100 watch faces, it's got a heart rate sensor, SpO2 sensor with IP67 rating. Can't ask for more in that price range. It's available in black, white and gold. You can get this from Amazon.in for $2,499. I'll leave the links for all in the description. If you like to buy one, you should definitely check it out. Alright, I know. Time for the giveaway. 3 simple steps. 1. Follow me on my Instagram handle, Mr. Tech Singh. 2nd, like the post of the ZebFit 1220CH. And 3rd, comment on the post why you should win the ZebFit smartwatch. I would love to hear some interesting answers. Make sure you complete all the 3 steps or else the entry won't be counted. 2 winners will be announced on Instagram on the 10th of April 2021. So don't waste any time, follow, like and comment and increase your chances of winning this watch. Since you are watching this, you better do the same for my YouTube channel. Like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't for more fun videos like these. Also, if there are any questions, feedbacks or complaints, let me know in the comment section below. All are welcome. Until next time, cheers.